Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a new arrival from eBay. This is a Marx 994 and a tender. Now I saw this on eBay, of course, 10 bucks. I was the only bidder, as usual. This has a 490 double reduction motor in it. At least I think it does. So we're going to open this and see exactly what we have. You never know on eBay, buying something by a description of what it's actually going to look like. If it runs, no idea at all. Full of styrofoam peanuts. Alright, there's the locomotive. And a tin litho tender. Alright, let me get this out of the way. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's look at the locomotive first. So wrapped in plastic. Wow. Well, it's wrapped well, there's no doubt about that. There we go. Boy, my razor blade is dull. Alright, almost. Alright, there we go. And it is in fair condition. As you can see, the odd thing is it has a 490 motor in it. Double reduction motor, for that matter. And it turns. So, not in terrible condition. Paint has definitely seen better days, but that's easily fixed. Anyway, so there's the locomotive. Let's see what kind of shape the tender is in. Standard Marx tin litho tender, of course. Alright, get this out of the way. Alright, tender is in actually fairly decent shape. As you can see, much better condition than the locomotive itself as far as the paint goes. Alright, nothing wrong with that. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is put this on the rail and see if it will run. I'm going to put this on the outside rail. And first thing we're going to do, of course, is put a couple of drops of oil on this motor. So a Marx double reduction motor, like I said, this is a 490 motor, which is what caught my eye actually. Double reduction motor in a 994. Alright, so 2 drops of oil on the armature bearing, 2 drops of oil on the output shaft. Alright, put it on the outside rail, turn on the power. Let's see what happens. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. Alright, so Marx 994. 10 bucks on eBay, I was the only bidder. And as you see, it's got a bit of damage here. That's easily fixed. And the paint is just really trash. But even so, a bit of cleanup. I can have this touched up in a matter of minutes. Alright, power is on. We're on the outside rail. Let's see what happens. Alright, it runs forward. Pull it back here. It has a pronounced wobble. I don't know if you've noticed that. And it's running forward only. So I'm just trying to see if there's any damage to the motor itself. Alright, E-unit is not working at all. Ah, it is working. Haha. There we go. Okay, you see that wobble? That is a sure sign of a bent axle. unit is sticking. Yep, unit is sticking big time. Wow. All right. See if we can get this broken loose. That's better. All right, it's been a long time since this locomotive is run. There's no doubt about that. So, oh, I see what the problem is. It has a bent axle right there. Watch that front wheel turn. See that? That is caused from somebody using a screwdriver. Look at the side plate. See, it's got this step in it right there. Somebody stuck a screwdriver under that and tried to pry that front wheel off. And that is the problem with trying to pry a wheel off, is you will bend the axle, which is exactly what this looks like. So it's fairly easy to fix this if you have the parts to fix it with. Just pull the wheel off, replace the axle, press the wheel back on, and it's fixed. It's up and running. Anyway, another 994 in less than perfect condition, as all of these are. But even so, in a matter of minutes, I can have this up and running, put a new light bulb in it, get that wheel straightened out or get that axle straightened out, and it'll be a great addition to the collection. Just a matter of getting the E unit working, of course. It's definitely sticking. That's better. Yep, definitely sticking. All right, let's try to put this on the rail, and even though the axle is bent, it should still run. Let's pull I've got a small consist here. Let's put this on the rail and see how we do as far as the motor running. All right, we're on track number 1. Focus the camera. All right, let's see what happens. Whoa. There we go. All right, well, there's nothing wrong with the motor, obviously. It needs to be clean, lubed, and tuned, and I definitely have to get that wheel fixed. But even so, it was worth 10 bucks. The tender by itself is worth 10 bucks. So I'll pull that motor out of there, very likely pull that wheel off, replace it, and press a new one on, see if I can get the E unit to cycle correctly, and we'll be up and running. So, a Marx 994 with a 490 double reduction motor. And this caught my eye because I built one of these and put a 490 motor in it. So I have 4 of these now. It's actually running better every time it goes around. And that's running it right at 50% power now. So actually fixing them is as much fun as running them. It's actually quite gratifying to be able to find these things on eBay. And as you see, the ones I buy are just junk. They're just trashed, all of them. And, you know, opening them up, you really never know what you're going to get on eBay because you're buying it from a description and a couple of photos. In this case, there were only 2 photos for the locomotive and the tender. But like I said, the tender's in really decent shape. Nothing wrong with that. And about 10-15 minutes, I'll have this wheel pulled off, get it straightened out. If I have to replace the axle, I'll just put a new one in there. And get it lubed and tuned, clean up this body, touch up the paint, and repair that dink right there. Somebody dropped this, very likely is what it looks like. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. A Marx 994, 10 bucks on eBay. I was the only bidder, of course. But as you see, it's already running. So all I have to do is straighten out that bad wheel, replace the light bulb, see if I can get the E unit to function correctly. If I can't, I will bypass it, or I will just add a switch. But so far, so good. Just the fact that it's running tells me this is going to run perfectly once I get all the problems sorted out. And it won't take long, a few minutes at most. It'll take longer to touch up the paint than it will to actually repair the motor. Well, I'm happy with it. It's definitely worth the 10 bucks. And plus now I have a project for the day. So I will get this thing pulled apart, get it lubed, tuned, straighten out that broken or that bent wheel, and I'll have another 994. And then we will address the paint. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.